So today we will see how to use Easyapache 4. So Easyapache 4 is a utility which used to manage Apache PHP on WHM server. So if you want to make changes in Apache, like if you want to install any custom PHP module, or if you want to install any custom Apache module, then you can use Easyapache 4. So basically from 11.58 or 11.60, cPanel WHM servers are now shipping Easyapache 4 as as a management software, or you can call it as a utility rather than a software. So I will show you how to use what are the basic things you need to know about Easyapache 4. So if you type in search Easyapache, then you can see in software section you can say Easyapache 4. So they are calling Easyapache 4 as a software tool. So now if you are familiar already with about the Easyapache 3, the Easyapache 3 was the previous version of software which is used to manage PHP Apache on the server. So now, like Easyapache 3, in Easyapache 4 we have these kind of various profiles. So I can use these profiles, like suppose I want to use all the PHP options and op cache, then I can click on the provision button and it will provision this profile, and it will install all the packages which are in this profile. And if I want any custom kind of packages installed to be installed on my server, then I will click on customize, or I can click on view all packages, and it will show me the information that the packages it is going to install. So for some of your sites need PHP GD, then you need to confirm that the profile you are provisioning includes that PHP GD. Like in my case, I have used the default cPanel profile. So this is cPanel default profile which comes with Apache 2.4, PHP 5.5, PHP 5.6, PHP 7. Now if my any site or if my any client requires PHP 5.4, then what can I do to install PHP 5.4? So I will see my currently provisioned profile, then I will see my packages which are installed. Here I can see I have only PHP 5.5, PHP 5.6, PHP 7, 7.1, but there is no PHP 5.4. And Easyapache 4 does support PHP 5.4. So I now need to install PHP 5.4. So I will click on customize. It takes some time. So here I can now see various kind of packages I can install. So if I need to install any multiprocessing module of PHP, currently pre-fork is installed, others are not installed. So in Apache modules, if I need to install some modules like mod spelling, so I will take this option. Now mod spelling is selected for installation. Now in PHP versions, I can see I have these PHP versions 5.5, 5.6, 7, 7.1, and I need to install PHP 5.4. This is the oldest one which is supported by Easyapache 4. Like they recommend you to upgrade to Cloud Linux. So Cloud Linux is a OS kernel which allows you to run PHP 4.4, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3. If your any site is based on these legacy PHP versions, then you can opt for Cloud Linux and these options can be availed. Now for PHP 5.4, I will select PHP 5.4 and install, then I will click on next. Now suppose the packages I need, so I will select PHP. I need to search a package, so I'm just filtering that all the required PHP 5.4 packages. So already those other packages we have seen PHP 5.5, 5.6 are installed on the server. So now I need to ensure that PHP 5.4 have GD. So PHP 5.4 PHP GD is the package name. We'll select this. Next. Now this will review the options which we have selected. So in Apache we selected mod spelling, in PHP we select PHP 5.4, and in extension we select PHP 5.4 GD. So these are the required modules which are required by PHP, so those will be installed automatically, so there is no need to select them, as these are the necessary ones, or these are the mandatory ones which are required by PHP to run itself. Now it will show you the clear summary or clear review of what is going to affect and what is not going to affect. So nothing is going to be uninstalled, there is no package upgrades, there are no other packets which are affected by this. So remember that we are only adding these packages in our profile now, and the existing package will not get affected. Now I will click on provision. So I will like to share that Easyapache 4 is completely based on YUM. So various packages are provided by cPanel, and you can install them like you installed any RPM using YUM or RPM-ivh command. So now the provision process is finished, done. Now you can see PHP 5.4 is installed. If I click on the view all packages, then I can see PHP 5.4 is there, PHP GD is there, and our mod spelling thing is there. So voila, this is how you can install anything using Easyapache 4. Now I will show you how to uninstall things. So basically those are the reverse, like I can go to PHP versions, I can select uninstall PHP 5.4, then I will click on next, nothing here, next. There are no packages to be installed, PHP 5.4 needs to be uninstalled, and all the associated packages with PHP 5.4 will be selected automatically. There is no need to select them manually. I will click on provision, so it will uninstall the PHP 5.4 from the server, which is not used by many sites now because everyone is going for PHP 5.6, 7 and Apache. So we are done. So if we see currently installed packages, then we can see Apache 2.4, PHP 5.5, 5.6, 7, 7.1, 5.4 is gone. So that is how you can install, uninstall packages using Easyapache 4. Hope this is informative and hope this will add something to your knowledge, and you can easily use Easyapache 4 to install, uninstall packages. So that's all. Subscribe to our channel Dope Live Tutorials, where I will keep putting tutorials like this. And for now, bye, take care.